Hello children, how are you? Children, in this video I am going to tell you about different method and like one of the method to factorize the algebraic expression or to find the factors of the algebraic expressions. Okay, so I have taken one example and this method is called as method of common factors. Okay, we have to take out the common factors. Okay, first we will seek out the factors of the terms of the algebraic expression. So I have taken one example, 12a square b plus 15ab square. Children, इस algebraic expression में आप केवल you cannot make it out ना, बस आप देखकर नहीं बता सकते कि क्या क्या factors हैं. How we can write it in the product in the form of the product form, okay, of the factors. Okay, so in this method, and it is very simple method. Okay, तो क्या करेंगे, जितने दो terms हैं, this is a binomial. Okay, so what we are going to do, the first step, कि पहले हम पहला जो term है आपका algebraic expression की, उसके factors में इस term को हम उसके factors में split करेंगे. ठीक है, for example 12. Okay, how you can write 12? You can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and a can be written, a square can be written as a into a, okay, and multiplied by 2. Okay, this is your first step. Then what we are going to do, we are going to factorize the second term, and that is 15ab square. Okay, so 15 can be written in the form of the product of its factors as 3 into 5 into a into b square is there, so we can write b into b. Okay, now अब हम देख लेते हैं कि ये दोनों terms में क्या common है. Okay, means common factors of 12a square b and 15ab square. Okay, so अब यहाँ से check कीजिए, 2 into 2 we cannot take it as common because आपके second term में 2 into 2 और 4 is not a common. Okay, it is not appearing in 15ab square. Okay, but अब देखिए यहाँ पे भी 3 है और यहाँ पे भी 3. Okay, so you can take one common factor as 3 into और multiplied by, अब देखिए यहाँ पे 2 a's हैं और यहाँ पे एक सिंगल a है. ओके, सेकेंड टर्म में एक सिंगल a है, फर्स्ट टर्म में 2 a's है, तो यू कैन टेक a ऑल्सो, वन ऑफ द a ऑल्सो एज कॉमन है ना. उसके बाद फर्स्ट टर्म में एक सिंगल b है और आपका सेकेंड टर्म में 2 b's है, तो यू कैन टेक एटलीस्ट 1 b as common, isn't it? ओके, तो हमारा कॉमन फैक्टर जो 12a square b और 15ab square का क्या है, 3ab. ओके, now what we are going to do, we are going to write 3ab as common. ओके, तो अब ये 3ab is common here. ओके, तो how you can write 12a square b, क्योंकि 12a square b में से हमने 3ab को as common factor we have taken. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर क्या बचता है, 4. तो 4 को we can write either as 4 also, 2 into 2. Okay, into 2 a's में एक a is taken out as common, so एक a बचा. Okay, और b is taken as one of the common factor, so a remains. Plus, what is the sign here? Plus. So you are going to put the plus sign. Okay. Now 15ab square में से हमारा common factor हमने क्या निकाला, 3. 3 is out here. This a, this common a has been taken as one of the common factor, and 2 b's में 1 b we have taken up as a common factor. Now क्या left? We are left with what? We are left with 5. Okay, this a we have taken out as a common factor, and out of this 2 b's we have taken one single b as common factor. So that is left. Okay. So 3ab. Now 2 2s are 4a plus 5b. Okay. So 3ab multiplied by 4a plus 5b. Okay. So we have factorized this 12a square b plus 15ab square. फैक्टराइजेशन का मतलब ही क्या होता है कि कोई भी, और अब हम हायर क्लासेस में हैं तो अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस के को फैक्टराइज करना मतलब अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन को उसको जो फैक्टर्स हैं उसके फॉर्म में लिखना. तो ये फैक्टर्स जो हैं आपका न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू भी हो सकता है, कोई अलजेब्रिक वेरिएबल भी हो सकता है, या एक अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन के फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. So children, hope you understood this method of common factors in order to factorize an algebraic expression. Children, if you are fine with the explanation, then please refer my channel and my videos to other people and ask them to subscribe to the channel as well.